Alright. So today we'll be talking about lists in Python. I know in the previous video I said that we were going to speak on functions, but I feel like list is the step before that, because in most functions you will need a list. So just to get it started, I created a list. I already prepared it for us. Created a list that showed indexing, slicing, appending, insertion, removal, the sorting, and the printing in reverse, and the printing the length of a list. So I already got it basically done for you guys. Excuse me. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna explain it all to you guys and show you guys how it works. These are the results of the code. It looks weird, just a bunch of numbers here, but I'm gonna explain it all right now. So first, I created a list. It's called my_list, my list. And in the list it has the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Basically I printed that list, and the output was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with commas, and that is this first part right here. Very simple. It's printing. We already talked about printing, and we always talked about integers as well. It's just a list of integers being printed. And it's just in regular order, the same order that it was input into the list. Now indexing, right? That's basically the selection of a certain part, part of the list, right? My list 0, right? I picked the that's basically picking the output of 1. With this they start at 0. This would be considered 0 right here. The 1 would be considered 0. Now if I and over here printing 4, that is 5. Go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where you end at 5. So think of the 1 as a 0, the 2 is a 1, the 3 is a 2, the 4 is a 3, and the 5 is a 4. And that's where you got this 4 from. Pretty simple again. Slicing. Now that's where you would print certain segments of the list. Like 1 and 3, like 1 through 3, it would be 2 to 3. Very simple again. Let's see. That'll be right here. 1 to 3. 1 to whatever. Like I told you guys about last time. It's if you leave this blank, it's gonna print continuously. Whatever else is in the list or the function. It would be just if you leave it blank, it would continue. So it continued from 1 or 2, let's say, and it went from 2 to 5 because that's all that's in the list. Now this one right here, from blank to 3, basically went on and started from the very beginning, because the blank at the beginning means it has no like limited beginnings. So it would start wherever the beginning of the list is, and then go on to the limit of 3, and then go to 1, 2, 3. As you can see, that's this part right here. Next we have appending, right? Basically just the insertion. It's just basically adding, right? But adding on to the end, right? App end, right? The app, let's just think of it as applying. App is applying to what? The end of the word says end. So applying to the end of a list, right? It's literally what it is. I'm applying 6 right here to the end of the list, and that's all I did. I applied 6 to the end of the list, right? And it's pretty simple. So, and that's what it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instead of just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And now insertion, the inserting into a list would be get my list dot insert parentheses 2, 7, right? The 2 is already in there, but the 7 was not. So just inserting the 7 into your list. It's not like appending where you would have the 7 at the end or the 2 and the 7 at the end. The 7 goes to where this would be. It wouldn't automatically go to the end, right? So if you wanted to remove 7, that would be this part. Removing mylist.remove parentheses 7 print, and then you would print your list. You just print which your list was, because you already did the removal is right here. And print your list. Your output would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no 7 in there, right? And then sorting, right? Mylist.sort print, and then you would just have them sorted. It would be the same thing as before. Sorry, I just hit my mic. But if it was, let's say, 9, like this, if I run it, oh, whoops, wait, where'd it go? Hold on, I cannot see it. Oh, wait, that's not even, what am I doing? That's a comment. That was embarrassing. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's say let's say I put this here. Let's say I copied this and then I put this before the sort, right? As well. Then it would sort it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You understand? So that's what it would be. Okay. Reset. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Now you run it again, it'll go back to normal, right? And then reversing, right? It would just, very simple. It would reverse the what the list said. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it would reverse it, and it'll be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very simple. Once again, it's just my list dot reverse in parentheses, right? Then it would be print my list, and your output would be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then length. We did length with our strings video, but once again, print len and then our variable, which is my list, and our output would be 6 because we have 6 integers in our list. So that would be our length, right? And that's very simply it. That's simple. It's that simple, guys. But yeah, that's all. List is very simple. I just want to go over this quickly before we get into functions and things of that nature. You guys have a great rest of your day or night, whenever, whatever time you may be watching this video. I'm out of here. See you guys. Have a good one.